Hey everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci Room here at Simpler Trading. Wanted to give you a quick setup in Western Digital Corporation. I am not familiar with this stock personally, but it does have a nice setup right now, and we are above the 200, we are above the 50. Now the 5 and the 13 have crossed over, but if we can get through that resistance, they're going to cross back over to the upside again, and then we would be looking at a royal setup, right? So here's what I've got for you. I've got two different zones, 65.80 to 67.48 and 63.85 to 64.49. So those are your two zones of risk. There is a little resistance coming in at 69.74, but if we can push through that, your target is going to be 76.60 and 79.07. What is our next question? Has it triggered yet? Let's see if it's triggered on a 5-minute. And it sure has triggered on a 5-minute there. You see where that blue has crossed the red. Let's see if it's triggered on a 15-minute yet. It is not quite triggered on a 15 yet. So if you are a swing trader, you're going to want to wait. And tomorrow, if you're a day trader, you could go ahead and take a look at this, but I want you to be a cautious bull until we get past that resistance at 69.74. All right, everybody, I hope you have an awesome rest of the day, and I will talk to all of you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Without Simpler Trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me